morning, students. This is Bhagyalakshmi, CRT Mathematics in KGBV Molkalcheru. Already you have learnt about fractions and decimals in previous class. In this class, I will explain about rational numbers. Let's start the class. Class 7, Chapter 2, Fractions, Decimals and Rational Numbers. In previous classes, you have learnt about fractions, decimals. Now in today class, I will explain about rational numbers. A number that can be expressed in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 is called rational number. Example, 2 divided by 3 minus 5 by 7, 0 by 1 minus 2 by 1. 2, 3 are integers. Q not equal to 0. That means 3 not equal to 0. Here 2 is called numerator. Three is called denominator. Second one, minus 5 by 7. Minus 5, 7 are integers. Q not equal to 0. Here also Q not equal to 1 not equal to 0, 1 not equal to 0. This type of numbers is called rational numbers. Left hand side numbers are negative numbers. Both positive and negative numbers are called integers. We can express natural numbers in P by Q form. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 can be written as P by Q form. 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1. Numerator and denominator. Here Q is not equal to 0. It is rational number. In same way, whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 divided by 1, 1 by 1 up to so on. Here denominator is not equal to 0. Here 0 and 1 are the rational numbers. Also expressed in the P by Q form in negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1 by 1, minus 2 by 1 up to so on. It is also the rational number. Natural numbers including 0 and negative numbers are called integers or rational numbers. Fractions 2 by 3, 7 by 4, 1, 3 by 4. 2 by 3 is proper fraction, 7 by 4 is improper fraction, 1, 3 by 4 is mixed fraction. 2 by 3, write the P by Q form proper fraction. Improper fraction 7 by 4 is P by Q form. 1, 3 by 4 is mixed fraction converted into in P by Q form. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 4. Here denominator is not equal to 0. Fractions also the rational numbers. Decimals, terminating decimals in P by Q form 0.7, 2.5. 7 by 10, 25 by 10. 5 5s are 5 2s are, that is equal to 5 by 2. Here denominator not equal to 0. These are rational numbers. Non-terminating recurring decimals. in P by Q form. 1.6 bar, 1.5 bar, 2.36 bar. In P by Q form, 1.6 bar is equal to 1 plus 0.6, that is equal to 1 plus 6 by 9. 3 2s are 3 3s are 1 2 by 3, that is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 3. Denominator not equal to 0. These are non-terminating recurring decimals are P by Q form, rational numbers. Non-terminating non-recurring decimals are not rational numbers. Non-terminating non-recurring decimal 1.32548762 up to so on, 0.745321 up to so on. It is not a rational number. Every rational number can be expressed either as a terminating decimal, non-terminating recurring decimal. Let x is equal to P by Q be a rational number if prime factorization of Q 2 power n into 5 power m power of 2 and 5, then it is a terminating decimal. Prime factorization of Q. Having a number, then it is other than 2 and 5, non-terminating decimal. Given rational numbers, we need to write in the form of terminating or non-terminating. Rational number 3 by 2, denominator 2. Prime factorization of 2 is 2 power 1, terminating decimal. 3 by 2, decimal number 1.5, terminating decimal. 7 by 5, denominator 5. Prime factorization of 5 is 5 power 1, terminating decimal. 7 by 5, decimal number 1.54, terminating decimal. 9 by 20, denominator 20. Factors of 20, 2 1s are 0, 2 5s are 5 1s are. It is equal to 2 into 2 into 5, that is equal to 2 power 2 into 5 power 1. Prime factorization of 20, 2 power 2 into 5 power 1, terminating decimal. 9 by 20, decimal number 0.45, terminating decimal. 8 by 15, denominator 15. Factors of 15, 3 5s are 5 1s are. 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Having a number other than 3 and 5, it forms non-terminating decimal. 8 by 15, decimal number 0.53 bar, non-terminating decimal. Positive rational numbers, rational number having numerator and denominator of same sign. Example 2 by 3, minus 5 by minus 3 and so on. Negative rational numbers, rational number having numerator and denominator of different sign. Example minus 2 by 3, 5 by minus 6 and so on. Separate positive and negative rational numbers from the following. minus 3 by 5, comma 5 by minus 7, comma 3 by 5, comma minus 5 by minus 6, comma 0. Positive rational numbers. Positive rational numbers, numerator denominator are same sign. 3 by 5, comma minus 5 by minus 6. Same signs, 5 by 6. Negative rational numbers, different signs. 5 by minus 7, comma minus 3 by 5. 0 or positive or negative rational number. Equivalent rational numbers. Rational number having same value are called equivalent rational number. Example, 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 8 by 12 and so on. Find two rational numbers equivalent to. First one, 3 by 5. 3 by 5 multiplying numerator into 3, denominator into 3. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. 3 by 5, numerator multiplying 2, denominator multiplying 2. 3 2s are 6 by 10. 2 3s are 2 5s are. 3 3s are 3 5s are. Therefore, 6 by 10, comma 9 by 15 are two equivalent rational numbers. Second one, minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3, both numerator and denominator multiplying and dividing 2. That is equal to 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 by 3 2s are 6. Minus 2 by 3 into multiplying 3, dividing 3. 3 2s are 6 by 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, minus 4 by 6, comma minus 6 by 9 are two equivalent rational numbers. Rational numbers in standard form. The rational number is said to be in standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Example, 2 by 3, comma minus 3 by 5, comma 5 by 13. Express each of the following rational numbers in the standard form. First one, 12 by 15. Denominator 15 is positive integer. Common factor 3. 3 4s are 3 5s are. 4 by 5 is the standard form of rational number. 4 by minus 9. Denominator is negative integer. To make it positive integer, write it as minus 4 by 9. Representing rational numbers on a number line. If the given rational numbers is positive rational number and numerator less than denominator, given the rational numbers lies on the 0 and 1. Negative rational numbers and numerator less than denominator given rational numbers lies between 0 and minus 1. Represents the following rational numbers on a number line. First one, 1 by 2. If it is a positive rational number, numerator is less than denominator. Divided 0 and 1 into 2 equal parts. 0 divided by 2, that is equal to the 0. 2 by 2, that is equal to the 1. 1 by 2. This is the point is 1 by 2. Second one, minus 1 by 2. It is a negative rational number. Numerator less than denominator. Rational numbers lies between 0 and minus 1. Divided 0 and minus 1 into 2 equal parts. 0 divided by 2 minus 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This point is minus 1 by 2. Compare the following rational numbers. 0 minus 1 by 4. 0 greater than minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 less than 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 3 by 4. 1 by 2 less than 3 by 4. Find 5 rational numbers between minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 2, 2 by 3. First convert minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 into rational numbers with same denominators, multiplying minus 1 by 2 with 3 by 3. That is equal to minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 2 into 3, 6. Second one, 2 by 3. Multiplying with 2. Numerator by denominator. 2 2s are 4 by 3 2s are 6. Now we have to find out minus 3 by 6, 4 by 6. That is equal to minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6. That is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 6, 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Write the 5 rational numbers. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 6, 0, 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 2 by 3. Second one, find 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. Minus 1 is equal to minus 10 by 10. 10 cancel, minus 1. 0 is equal to 0 divided by 10. Minus 10 by 10, minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 7 by 10, minus 6 by 10, minus 5 by 10, minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, comma 0 by 10. Pick any 5 rational numbers minus 1 and 0. Minus 1, comma minus 9 by 10, comma minus 7 by 10, comma minus 1 by 2, comma minus 3 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0. Addition of rational numbers. Add 7 by 5 and 2 by 5. 7 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Denominators are same. LCM 5. 7 plus 2. That is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. 9 by 5. Second one. Minus 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. Minus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7. Denominators are not equal. LCM of 5 and 7, 35. 5 sevens are 35. Minus 2 by 5 into 35 plus 3 by 7 into 35. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. 7 ones are 7 5s are. Minus 2 into 7 minus 14 plus 3 5s are 15 by 35. Minus 14 plus 15, 1 by 35. Fraction of rational numbers. Subtract 2 by 9 from 5 by 9. 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Denominators are same. LCM 9. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 by 9. 3 ones are 3 3s are. 1 by 3. Second one. Minus 3 by 10 from 1 by 5. 1 by 5 minus 3 by 10. 1 by 5 minus into minus plus 3 by 10. Denominators not same. 5 LCM of 5 comma 10. 5 ones are 5 2s are. 5 2s are 10. 1 by 5 into 10 plus 3 by 10 into 10 divided by 10. 5 ones are 5 2s are. 10 10 cancel. 1 2s are 2 plus 3 ones are 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 by 10. 5 ones are 5 2s are. 1 by 2. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 3 by 8. If one of them is 3 by 16, find the other number. The sum of two rational numbers is equal to minus 3 by 8. If the one of the number 3 by 16, let the other number is x. 3 by 16 plus x, that is equal to minus 3 by 8. We needed to find the value of x. X is equal to minus 3 by 8. 3 by 16 replace to the RHS minus 3 by 16. LCM of 8 and 16, 16 minus 3 by 8 into 16 minus 3 by 16 into 16. 8 ones are 8 twos are. 16 16. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus 3 ones are 3. minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 by 16. Other number is x is equal to minus 9 by 16. What should be subtracted from 5 by 9 to get 9 by 5? To get 9 by 5, that is equal to, from 5 by 9 should be subtracted x. Nine by 5 minus x becomes plus x, that is equal to 5 by 9. X is equal to 5 by 9. 9 by 5 to RHS becomes minus 9 by 5. LCM of 9 and 5, 45. 5 by 9 into 45 minus 9 by 5 into 45. 9 1s are 9 5s are 5 1s are 5 9s are 5 5s are 25 minus 9 9s are 81 by 45. 25 minus 81 by 45, that is equal to minus 56 by 45. Needed to subtract the minus 56 by 45. Multiplication of rational numbers in same as fractions. Multiply 3 divided by 25 and 4 by 5. 3 by 25 into 4 by 5, that is equal to 3 into 4 by 25 into 5. 3 into 4 12, 25 into 5 125. Second one 1 by 6 and 18. Convert into rational number. 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7 by 6 into 18, that is equal to 7 into 18 by 6 into 1. 2 9s are 2 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are 7 into 3 21. A bus is moving with a speed of 65 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 1 by 3 hour? Speed of the bus 65 km per hour. Time taken 1 by 3 hour. Distance travel is equal to speed into time. Speed 65 km per hour into time 1 by 3 hour. 65 by 1 into 1 by 3 converted into rational number. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 4 by 3 kilometer per hour into hour. Hour. 65 into 4 by 1 into 3 kilometer. 65 into 4 260 by 3 kilometer, that is equal to 86 2 by 3 kilometer. Distance travel. Division of rational numbers same as division of fractions. Divide 15 by 28 by 3 by 4. 15 by 28 divided by 3 by 4. 15 by 28 Reciprocal of 3 by 4, 4 by 3. 4 1 jar, 4 7 jar, 3 1 jar, 3 5 jar. 5 by 7. Second one. Minus 7 by minus 14 by 5. Minus 7 divided by minus 14 by 5. Minus 7 reciprocal of minus 14 by 5 minus 5 by 14, that is equal to minus 7 into minus 5 by 14. 7 1 jar, 7 2 jar. Minus into minus plus 5 by 2. The product of two numbers is 14. If one of the number is minus 8 by 7, find the other. The product of two numbers is equal to 14. If one of the number minus 8 by 7, let it be x. Minus 8 by 7 into x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14. Replace minus 8 by 7 divided by minus 8 by 7. 14 reciprocal of minus 8 by 7. Minus 7 by 8. That is equal to 14 into minus 7 by 8. 2 4s are 2 7s are 7 7s are 49. Minus 49 by 4. Other number is minus 49 by 4. The cost of 11 pence is rupees 32 by 3. Find the cost of 1 pen. Cost of 11 pence is equal to rupees 3 2 by 3. Convert into rational number. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2. 11 by 3. Cost of 1 pen is equal to cost of 11 pence divided by 11. 11 by 3 divided by 11, that is equal to 11 by 3. Reciprocal of 11, 1 by 11. 11 11 1 by 3. The cost of 1 pen is 1 by 3.